Hi YouTube, in this video you are going to learn how to save any web page into a PDF file. So you go to the web page that you wish to download, make sure it's fully loaded all the way from the top to the bottom of the page. Now you right click, and once you right click, now you scroll down to print. Left click on print. On destination, you want to put select save as PDF. It's going to show you a preview of the page. Now don't freak out because it doesn't look exactly the same on this preview, but I'm going to show you something it's going to work a little bit better. So you're doing this without installing any plugins. So now we click on save. You select your destination. You can name it whatever you want, obviously. Now you go to the folder where we downloaded the file, and you'll see your PDF file here. Let's click on that. Now stay with me because I'm going to show you something. So here's the preview from doing it that way on that website. Now that website in particular, because I was showing you it's sort of like a worst case scenario. That website had a lot of banners, and it had sort of a little bit like old-fashioned HTML, so it had a lot of pop-ups and banners. So there's that page. Now if we go back, for instance, let's say we try it on an Amazon page. Now stay with me because I'm going to show you another way that you can do it, but I want to show you a better, Amazon has top of the line website. So we right click, we go to print, same thing, save as PDF. It's loading a preview. Now that first example was most likely a worst case scenario, but I'm going to show you how you can actually get the PDF. I'm going to show you how to get the PDF to look exactly like it did on the website. So here's the Amazon preview. So as you can see, it looks exactly like the Amazon website. And we follow the same format. Save as PDF. Save. You choose your destination folder and you name it whatever you want to name the PDF file. Save it. Now let's go to the folder. And here is the Amazon webpage. It's exactly like how it looked like on Amazon. Now, let's close this out. But you might say, oh no, I saved the webpage and it doesn't look exactly how it does online. Well, there's a way around this, and that way would be using the Opera browser. So for instance, if you don't have it, it's a great browser, it's fast. You can download the Opera browser, and here we are on the People of Walmart website again. And for this, it's even easier. All we do is we right click, and there's a save as PDF option. How awesome is that? So save as PDF. Save. Download complete. Show in folder. And let's check it out. Oh, what? Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, so there it is. It looks exactly how it looks online. It saved the web page as a PDF exactly how it looks online. Now the other method works on any browser, the one where you right click and you select print. It works on any browser. Now you might run into some websites like the one I just showed you where it's maybe an antiquated website or older website, or it's got a bunch of pop-ups, and it might save your PDF as sort of like an HTML blockish, more script-like. So in that case, if you really want to download the website, then I suggest you use the Opera browser, which is great. It's a great browser to have anyhow. Well, hopefully you found the video useful. If you did, please click a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let us know if this worked out for you, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great one.